Hello viewers, welcome to the latest new videos from Illustrator. Today we will see how to create a butterfly logo. Let's get started. First we need to open the Illustrator software. Then you need to get a new page. So I create a new page. Now I have created a new page of 1000 by 1000 pixel and then create. Butterfly logo we will create with the help of pen tool. Now I select pen tool and pen tool use. We must be turn off fill color and must be use stroke color. Then start this art.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
After draw a shape with pen tool and select the shape and stop the stroke color none and select fill color any you like and create a new shape. Sorry, fill color off and stroke color on. And when the color is applied, we will save the logo. To save, we will go to the file menu and go to export and export as. Then name the work logo design and save as type. Select PNG or JPG as you like. Then export this file and okay. Thanks for watching this full video. If you are new to our channel, you must be subscribe our channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon to next notification.